Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to give you all an Amazon haul. So I have some boxes here from Amazon that some came today and some came last week, and I decided to open everything up with you. So majority of these things are gonna go in the pantry for our pantry organization. The first thing I have is this non-skid shelf organizer. So this is gonna go in the pantry, and I think we're gonna put the canned goods on here. We don't have many canned goods, so I think this will be big enough. So this is what's gonna go in the pantry. Grandma is still here. She's watching me open up everything. This is gonna be the biggest job. Oh, so this goes over the sink. So to dry the dishes. I hope it's not too long. I'd rather it be too long than too short. So instead of doing like the cloth drying rack, I got this, and it just lays over the sink, and you put your dishes over top. See? Next we have, this is already out. So this is a caddy that I'm going to use to store my cleaning products for the half bath right here. So this caddy will go in the closet, and when it's time for me to clean the bathroom, I just take this caddy in, do what I need to do, and put it on back. Because there's really no storage in the bathroom. Next, we have these baskets. This is also going in the pantry. Oh, these look better as far as the other ones. I bought 2 other baskets from Target. They're bigger. These are smaller. So this is also going in the pantry for storage. This is the part Grandma been waiting on. Next, I have these glasses. I'm not gonna open these yet because I'm not. It's fine. You can answer it, Grandma. So I'm not gonna open these yet because I don't know where I want to store these. I forgot about these glasses. Our glasses are completely filled up. So I'm not gonna open these yet until I figure out what I'm gonna do with them. But here's a picture of what they look like. And these are for my iced coffee, smoothies. This girl I follow on TikTok had these glasses, and I just had that. Other storage bins for the pantry. So here's the size. There's one more this size. It's gonna go in the pantry. So now that I'm looking at all this stuff, I don't think everything's gonna fit in the pantry. But if it don't, there's several other rooms in the house that need storage. So it'll be fine. Okay, next we have these plastic drawers, organizers. I'm not gonna open these yet either because this goes upstairs in our bathroom, but I'll show you a picture of what it looks like. So we're gonna use these to organize the drawers in our bathroom. And we may use some of these downstairs to organize the kitchen drawers as far as like the junk drawer, so it won't be too junky. Keisha's mom gave me that idea because she uses it in her drawers instead of just putting everything out in the open. So here are the plastic organizer sets. This is turning into what I'm not gonna show you all. It's just so much stuff. I hate to open it, and then I feel compelled to put it out. Then I also ordered some glass straws that goes with my new glasses. Oh my God, that one is broke. Oh, Yes. I hope all of them not. That one's broke. Should I just send these back? Only 2 out of 4 is not broke.
How many you got? How many is that?
It's 4 in here. 2 out of 4 isn't broke. I really want these straws now. The ones that have a bend are broke. So there's 2 straight straws and 2 that had a bend. So I'm probably gonna have to send these back. Wonk wonk.
Oh, you got it long.
Amazon. 2 of my straws arrived broken.
The straws?
Yes, my glass straws.
Oh, they're glass straws.
For my coffee. Be careful, it's broken glass. Don't touch it at the top.
They will let it bottom on the other. I didn't know you ordered glass straw. I thought they were like plastic but clear.
Oh, this one's upside. You should just had to have these.
You can't have your tacos fall over.
These are taco holder party kits. So when we have tacos, we can build the tacos in these little kits. I'm gonna open one so y'all can see one. We've been wanting these for a long time. We finally ordered them. I'm sure my aunt would appreciate these. So when you do your taco, you just sit them up in the stand. So we got these. Well, I have to figure out where to store all this stuff. Grandma's giving us more work to do. Next, I ordered these cookies jars for the pantry. So, I was watching Miss Liz Hart, and I think everybody's doing their pantry now because she had some pantry. I got some pantry ideas from her and some pantry ideas from Krista Bowman Ruth. So, some more stuff that gotta be washed, Grandma. So these are, oops, put it back in. These are called Good Grips Pop Containers. So, like, look, ain't this so cool? Look. She just breaking down boxes, she don't care. So I have 2 of these that's gonna go in the pantry.
How many boxes you got over there?
This is the last one. Okay, y'all. So this is gonna go underneath the sink for storage organization, as far as like cleaning supplies and stuff. This is how big. See, so this will go under the sink for like dish pods, cleaning supplies, and so forth. Also ordered an olive oil. I'm so excited about this little project on the countertop. Here it is. It's olive oil dispenser. It's just the little things and we're just so happy. It's gonna go on the countertop with the Lazy Susan that I'm getting ready to show you. All right, next I have some dispensers that I've been, took me a long time to figure out what I want. So instead of me displaying like the soap and the dish, the soap and, oh look, it has all the labels in here in case we do it upstairs. So the hand soap and the dish soap, I'm gonna put them in these amber colored bottles to display them on the sink. So, and then if we want, well, I think we will, we'll put the label, show you. So it's gonna be hand soap and lotion. Hand soap and dish soap. And this will go on the counter. And here's the little pump. Next we have the Lazy Susans that's gonna go in the pantry. So yeah, I think the pantry is pretty much packed out now. So this is where the sauces are gonna go in the pantry. And they just thin. Oh, I can't make this thin. Well, it's not thick. I want you to see it. There you go. It's thinning. So Lazy Susan. So this is also a pantry thing. This, oh, it's so little. Look how small this is.
What is that?
This is why I was gonna put everything on this countertop. Yeah, so I wanted to put the olive oil, my container with my utensils, salt and pepper, and the candle. All of that is not gonna fit on this. Unless we just put the salt and pepper, the olive oil, and the candle, and the canister to the right of it.
Yeah.
All those would fit, but it's such a hassle to ship stuff back on Amazon. All right, Keisha gonna ship it back and get me something different. And next, this is a napkin holder that's gonna go in the half bag right here. So this is nice and sleek and it shouldn't move. It's gonna go on the sink. Then we have our utensil holder. This is gonna go in the drawer. Look, Grandma. So now we can finally put all the utensils up. So we have been waiting for this to come so we can. In the drawer that Keisha's standing in front of, to the right of the dish towels and stuff. So yeah, we've been waiting on this stuff to come in. So now we finally have it. I think that is it. I feel like I had so much more. So this wraps up my Amazon haul. I hope y'all enjoyed. So stay tuned to part 2 where we put the pantry together. My grandma and I. This video was brought to you by me and my grandmother, who's right here, and Keisha. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!